In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste a document or text from ChatGPT app to Word document using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Alright, now I've just opened my document here on ChatGPT and I'd like to go ahead and create a Word document and then paste just using my smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your chat or your conversation that you want to paste or to copy. If you can't see it, just tap on these lines here, these two lines, and it will take you to your chat histories where you can find that chat that you so wish. Once you find it, tap on it and it will open. Now, as you can see, I have this chat and it is quite long. I would like to go ahead and copy and then paste it as just one document. To do so, there are two methods that you can use. In the first method, just scroll down up to the end of the document and then you will see this option called copy. This is an icon for you to copy. So if I go ahead and tap on it, just tap on it once. It doesn't matter if you don't see any changes or any assurity that you have successfully copied it. Just go ahead and tap on it once and then go to Google Docs. And here's my Google Docs. And here we don't want to create a Google document, but a Word document. To do that, just head to this plus here and you'll have here an option to choose a template, a new Word file, or a new document or docs file. For our case, we want a Word file, so I'll go ahead and tap on new Word file here, and this will create for me or will give me a blank Word file. So there are two ways you can paste this. You can either use this option here. If you see here a sample of what you have just copied, you will find it here. You can go ahead and tap on it and this will go ahead and paste it here. However, I don't like this method because it will lose the formatting. You can see there are no headings and we have some lines here. The best way to paste it is to go ahead and long press anywhere here where we have this blinking cursor and then just tap on paste. If you use this method, you can see the formatting has been retained. The bold text and headlines have been highlighted successfully. And you can see how this is well organized. You can also go ahead and edit it. You can remove anything from this by just tapping on any place that you want to edit and then go ahead and delete or add any details that you want to be captured. Once you're done, now you can go ahead and tap on this tick here to complete or to save your document, and you can see it said it has been saved. Before you quit, you can go ahead and give it a title by tapping here. You can see our document doesn't have a title, so if I go ahead and tap on it, I'll have to choose where I want to save this file, whether you want to save it on Google Drive or you want to save it on your phone, that is on your device. So choose what you want or whatever you want. So for mine, I'll just go ahead and leave it on Google Drive. But if you want it to be on your phone memory, you can just choose device and then save. So proceed and tap on it like that, and it will go ahead and create for you that document. You can see here it is, the document name. Now you can give it a name as you wish and then tap on save to complete it. So each and every time you come to Google Docs, you can see now this is not in form of a Google document, but it is in form of a Word document, and you can share it from here by downloading it, or you can share it directly from here. You can share it to your email or to your partners, or you can share it to anyone. So that is the first method of copying from ChatGPT mobile app to a Word document. Now in the second method, let me show you how you can do the same. Now I'll go back to ChatGPT and find my text here. Now this time around, instead of tapping on copy here, I'll just go ahead and long press anywhere on this text or on this chat. So if I press anywhere, we shall have the option to copy. You can see it is here. So if I go ahead and copy, I'll copy the whole thing and then go paste just the same way I did in the other case. Alternatively, I might want just to copy a section. Maybe I just want to copy point number 9 here. If I only want to copy this, just go ahead and tap anywhere again on that same document or on that same thread, and then this time around select thread. Now once you have selected thread, go ahead and identify the specific paragraph that you want to copy. For my case, I want to copy number 9, and here it is. From here, go ahead and long press from where you want to begin, and then while pressing down, go ahead and hover up to the end of it and you can see we have now the option to copy it. Now, once you copy it, you can now go ahead and paste it wherever you want. If you want to use the second method to copy the whole text, just click on copy and then go back to your Word document, which is on Google Docs, and then choose the Word document you wanted, or you can create a new one. And from here, you can now either paste but loose format, or you can as well just long press here and then choose the option paste. So once you are here, now you can go ahead and paste here just as we did in the first case. So that's how you copy and paste text document from ChatGPT to Word document using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.